All right, guys, for today's assignment, I'm going to go over what our summative assessment of the FIT principle is. So for this assessment, you're going to create an infographic using the canva.com website, which I'll show you in just a second. Your infographic must include the definition of the FIT principle, what the acronym FIT stands for, how you would incorporate this FIT principle in the creation of your fitness program, and a motivational quote that will help push you to achieve those fitness goals. You'll then videotape yourself teaching someone in your household your infographic. Here is a sample of the infographic and how I would relate this to my own physical fitness activities and goals. So you'll notice here on this sample infographic from Canva, I put my name on the top, the FIT principle, and then I included each one of the FIT principle things: frequency, intensity, time, and type. I then went through the definition down here, what the FIT principle is, and how I would incorporate it into my own fitness program. And then here's my motivational quote. When you're doing this, make sure you include not just the definition, like I said here, the acronym, how you would incorporate it into your fitness program, include some pictures or graphics that are relevant to each one of those acronyms, and that motivational quote. Here's our grading rubric right here. To get 3 points, obviously the definition has to be correct, the acronym has to be correct, the incorporation of that FIT principle was evident, it was correctly used, the pictures or graphics were all relevant and engaging, and the motivational quote was present and fitness related. Lastly, make sure that our spelling and grammar is spot on by using spelling or grammar check before we submit this. If we're in the needs improvement category, the definition was there, but it wasn't necessarily correct. The acronym was there, but it wasn't correct. The incorporation of the FIT principle into your own program was evident, or it was used incorrectly, it wasn't evident. The pictures or graphics weren't relevant. The motivational quote was present, but it didn't really pertain to fitness. And the infographic had about 3 to 5 spelling or grammar errors. Now, if you didn't demonstrate or you didn't include any of these, you're going to get 0 points, which means it wasn't demonstrated or it wasn't present. So please make sure you look at the rubric as you're going through your infographic to make sure that you have all the content needed. For the video portion of this assignment, you are going to videotape yourself teaching someone the FIT principle using your infographic. Your video should be about 1 to 2 minutes long, and you must address all the things in your infographic, including how you applied the FIT principle to your own fitness program. When you're done, please upload the link to your infographic and your video to Schoology under the FIT principle assessment assignment. This assignment is due on October 1st, 2020. And it's worth 18 points for the infographic and 10 points for the video. Once again, let me go ahead and show you what mine looks like here on the infographic website on Canva. All right, this was just a basic template that I used. All right, to go ahead and do this, I'm going to go ahead and go back to the home button. All right, so what we're going to do here is I'm going to create a new infographic for you. So what it looks like when you are coming here, you're going to create a design, all right? And you can use a different template if you want to. There's different templates here. There's educational templates, all right? What I chose was just a basic template, so you can pull up any one of these things here, and this is how you're going to create your template. So you can choose which one you want to do. The biggest thing when it comes to your template is making sure that you're able to view your infographic right away. So when I started editing, it looked a lot like this. And I was awfully confused myself with, oh my gosh, how do I get to this? How do I make this bigger? Because I couldn't see what these things were. So one of the things I want to point out here when you're editing these is because they're really, really small and you could click on it and you can be like, okay, I can't see that. I want you to enlarge it down here. So when you click on the 18%, what you see here is we can go all the way up to 100% so that we can view it at 100% so we can see it better, so we can make sure that the spelling is correct, grammar is correct, and we get everything in there. You can also upload pictures. I uploaded a few pictures myself running a marathon. They have some Canva photos that you could just type in here. So you could type running in here, and it will go ahead and give you a variety of running pictures that you could incorporate if that's what you're going to do. You could change the text if you wanted to, different text fonts. Just make sure that it is something that I can read and that it's visible so that we can incorporate. You could also include videos if you wanted to. I didn't do that, but if you wanted to spice it up a little bit, you're more than welcome to add some videos to your infographic too. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me, log into my office hours. I'll be more than happy to help out wherever needed. Best of luck with your infographic creation. I can't wait to see what everyone does. I know it's going to be amazing, and have a great day, guys.